we are going to see about the various benefits of storytelling, especially to kids. Because nowadays, almost all children are addicted to gadgets. They just want to binge watch reels after the reels, shorts after the shorts, and it has various side effects. It affects them physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially. It affects their growth, not only academically, in all ways. So, what are the other ways to engage the children? Because only just by reducing screen time, it's not going to help the children. Only when we introduce the other alternatives, they can slowly reduce the screen time. The best alternative for digital entertainment is stories. See, even adults, we all love listening to stories, right? So, same way, children of all age love listening to stories. And especially when we narrate stories to children, they put themselves in the shoes of the character. They travel along with the story. Now they decide what has to be done, what should I do, this or that. So it improves their creativity, it improves their imagination, it improves their decision making ability, it also improves their critical thinking ability, and at the same time, it also develops their communication and listening skills. Okay, listening skills, it is actually the most ignored skill nowadays, but it is a very, very important skill. See, if you want to be successful in a relationship, you have to be a good listener. If you want to be a successful person in your career also, you have to be a good listener. Okay, communication includes both speaking and also the listening skills. And stories are going to improve the listening skills. And at the same time, communication. We all learned our mother tongue only just by listening, right? So this storytelling can also improve the children's communication skill. And to teach life skills and social skills, stories can be used. And at the same time, if you want to teach any values or morals, ethics, anything can be done through stories. Even if you want to correct the behavior of a student, instead of telling the child directly, you can use stories. So when we say through stories, the child can easily understand it. And at the same time, even to calm down the child and to make a child sleep, stories can be used. You know, bedtime stories are always there, right? So every child needs to listen to stories almost every day. How do you use storytelling as parents? Or if you want help, if you want someone to guide you in this, join my upcoming free webinar, Super Kids Launchpad. Thank you.